Jessie from Lexington Law Firm. How can I help you?
Hey, my name is Lily. My friend Mike told me about how you helped him with his credit before he got his home loan. And I'm wondering if you could help me work on fixing my credit too. I would really appreciate it.
Let's see what we can do for you. Can I start by asking you a few questions?
Sure.
Do you know what your current credit score is?
When I checked it recently, it wasn't great. Something like 610, and I've got some negative items too that I'm not exactly sure what to do about. I got a new credit card a few months ago, and I'm sure that's also playing a factor.
I see. Do you have any idea what negative items might be on your credit report?
No idea, but I still have some student loans and credit cards. Is that what you mean?
Maybe. Negative items are anything in your credit history that negatively impacts your score, including late payments and collections. Let me explain our process and things will start to make sense.
Sounds great.
First, we pull your credit reports and conduct a detailed analysis with your help to identify any questionable negative items that could be wrongfully hurting your credit. From there, we submit challenges and disputes on your behalf to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and your creditors. We ask them to verify your items as accurate, fair, and substantiated. If they can't, they are required by law to stop reporting them. As we work through each of your questionable negative items, we'll also watch your credit, addressing additional issues as they arise so that you can stay on track and reach your goals.
Thank you so much for all your help. I can't wait to get started.
Get your free credit report consultation from Lexington Law today. Call 1-844-822-9384.